Good morning students, welcome to Narana Life classes. So today we are going to discuss the answers of the assignment given to you all on 14th August, and students, the topic of the assignment is fiber to fabric. So let us discuss the first question. Jute fiber is obtained from the dash of the jute. So it is obtained from the stem. The stem is the part of the plant from which the jute fiber is obtained. Okay, let us discuss with the second question. Fabrics are made from the dash, which in turn are made from fibers. So fabrics are made from the yarn. Okay, let us discuss with the third question. Where do the fibers come from? So fibers can be obtained from plant source or the animal source. So we can write fibers can be obtained from either plants or animals, or it can even be obtained from chemicals. So when we obtain this from chemicals, it is known as synthetic fibers. Okay, let us discuss with the fourth question. The fibers of some fabrics such as cotton, jute, silk and wool are obtained from plants and animals. These are called as natural fibers. So these are called as what? Natural fibers. Okay, let us discuss the fifth question. Dash are the examples of fibers obtained from plants. So we can write with cotton or jute. Okay, the sixth question. Dash is obtained from the fleece of the, wool is obtained from the fleece of the dash. So it is obtained, wool is obtained from the fleece of the sheep or goat. Okay, now let us discuss with the seventh question. Silk fiber is drawn from the dash. So it is drawn from the cocoons of silkworm. Okay. Let us discuss the eighth question. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from dash. So they are obtained from animals. Okay. The second last question. The fibers which are made from chemicals or from chemical substances or are not obtained from plant or animal sources are called as synthetic fibers. So they are called as synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Okay, the last question. Fabrics are made up of dash and dash are further made up of fibers. So fabrics are made up of yarns and these yarns are further made up of fibers. Okay, so thank you students. Have a great day ahead.